Hi all, welcome back to another video of HTML using CSS. Today our topic image gallery. In every web page we might have noticed image galleries. I am giving you basic things for making image gallery. See, here we have four images, images, all flower images having description and all. See the code image gallery. First we are adding four photos here. All these under kept this directory, working directory 1, 2, C1, C2, C3 and C4. Now all these images we accessing here under div tag. Here C1 give description HOD, then here c2.jpg description price distribution, then here c3.jpg, then price, then here also link is the link to that page, that image, then last fourth image c4.jpg link to that page and corresponding alt. Now for making gallery we need to design CSS style. Whole in the inside all div tag we declared class gallery. So see the gallery class. Here we set margin as 5 pixel, border 1 solid, hatch CCC, then float left, width set to 180 pixel. Now gallery is set here, then hover under hover part, gallery part we set border 1 pixel solid. We can see the result, then easily understand. Image gallery, see hover means this is when you take your mouse over it, then visibility changes. So this is about image gallery. By using div tag you can add your images to your document, and using this gallery property class and hover property you can design an image gallery. Now our another topic, image opacity or transparency. See, this result is not opaque. To make it opaque we need to add style opacity. See the example. Yes, image tag we need to style opacity level as 0.5, 50%, then run it. See the difference, some changes. It specifies the transparency of the elements. You can change according to your maybe 7 4 9 8. Save, then run. See, transparency changes. You can give any value, depends upon your needs. So this is about image opacity. It improves the transparency of the image. Our next topic, to make image sprites. In website we might have seen image sprites. We may see this example. When you click on this you can see images. image sprites. See, for this we need 3 images: home button, back button, next button. All these images are added to our HTML page. Then for this we need to write code for home, 0 pixel 46 pixel width. Then background you set as image. In CSS you can call by URL home.png, it's PNG file. Then for back image, back.png, for next image, next.png, like that we need to call. And after that, under unordered list, CSS unordered list, you need to add a navigation list. All we have we specified under style tag navigation list, like then margin padding, list style and position absolute, all we talk about in the previous example. So all this set under navigation list id you can specify by hash symbol. If it is class, you can specify with the dot symbol. Then now link under UL we have home, previous, next, all we give link to these images. So now save and run. Image sprites, see we have 3 buttons. When you put home, go to home image, when you back image, then next image, last image. So this is about sprites, image gallery and image opacity. Thank you.